car. So I'm standing in front of the orange Charger Daytona. We had it featured a few months ago on a video when we did the fuel pump replacement. And today we are doing a quick little fix on an actuator where the heat and the air conditioning, no matter what you do, sometimes they get caught. One side blows only cold, the other does heat, and then you can't get them to simultaneously work. So here we go. Sean's gonna take it from there.
Okay, I'll give you a rundown on what it was doing, and maybe you get the same symptoms. It's a real common thing on the Chargers, Challengers, 300s, even the Journeys. I mean, everything has these actuators in the back that put the air, the heat, different levels coming through the lowers or the mids or the uppers by the windshield. Well, in my case, when I had the air conditioning on, this has the dual climate control, I was still getting heat from the whole left side and cool air coming out of the right side. So the right side worked, temperature controlling, hot to cold. Left side, like I said, did not. No matter what, I was getting heat out, even when I didn't want it. And here in Florida, you know, that's not easy to deal with. So I figured, all right, let me tackle this thing. So basically you have a couple of actuators that are underneath the panel here for your left side, and then you have a couple of them behind the glove box for the right side. So I was dealing with the left, like I said, so I'm gonna take you through some steps and hopefully it helps you. Access the actuator. You got a plastic panel here. It's in with some clips. You're gonna pop it off. You'll see the clips. It's got two of them, and they snap in over there. And then you're gonna have one Phillips screwdriver or screw there, and then maybe one or two here at the bottom. And then this lower panel is also in with some clips. So you pry it gently and it'll come down. I'm gonna show you what they look like. You got the clips right there, and there, and then down in the bottom. And then once you do that, you have your trunk release button here. You can pull that tab. Let's see if I could do it one-handed. Pull that tab and just unplug it and get it out of your way. All right, that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like unplugged. And then just get the whole panel out of your way. And then you have two 10mm bolts on this side and then two on that side, and then this whole plate comes out. And once that plate comes out, then you can see the actuator up to the right side. Got the 3 screws out of the old actuator, and you can see it's got a little gear there. I'll show you some better pictures when it's out. But the 3 torque screws are out, kind of like this one. I'm leaving this one in because that's not the one that was cracked and making the noise. The broken gear must be inside this one. So anyways, like on this one, I'll show you a little bit easier. Up top, there's a red clip, and you gotta pop that red clip up. And when that red clip pops up, you'll be able to push this and unplug it. I'm not gonna do this one because I'm leaving this actuator in place. So I'm gonna put the clip back down, and I have to put the camera down in order to get this guy down. But 3 screws, little Torx, we're holding that guy in. Pulled the actuator out, and I went ahead and took a screwdriver and just opened it. It's got these locking clips, and looked inside, and there is the broken tooth on the gear. And the way that works is it takes a signal from your temperature control switches, and then it'll open and close the plenum door that's underneath the dash. Anyways, that's what it looks like as far as the bad one. And let's get the other one up and in place. Actuator is back in place, and time just to get the screws in. You can see the plugs back in on top, and then there's going to be the 3 Torx screws. And that's it. And then we'll keep our fingers crossed and see how it works. Okay, new actuator is in, and it should open the temperature slide behind it when you turn your temperature control here. So I'm gonna put the camera underneath, and I'll go ahead and turn that by hand, and we'll see if it's working. Zoom in a little bit. There's the actuator, so it should be some movement behind it. Yeah, I saw something. Let me put some light on the subject for you guys. Try that. Yeah, there it is. Cool. All right, let me try it once more. Turn it over to the cool. There you go. Cool. All right, hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Appreciate it very much.